Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable smoothies. First, gather your fresh ingredients, like 1 cup of spinach and 1/2 cup of berries. Always wash your produce thoroughly to remove any dirt. Next, chop larger items, such as carrots or celery, into pieces about 1 inch long. Finally, pour your chosen liquid, perhaps 1 cup of water, into the blender first. When selecting ingredients, aim for a balanced mix. Start with a generous handful, about 1 cup, of leafy greens like spinach or kale for essential nutrients. Then, add 1 or 2 fruits, such as a small banana or 1/2 cup of pineapple, for natural sweetness. Incorporate healthy fats like 1/4 of an avocado or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Finish with 1 cup of your preferred liquid base. Now, let's blend for that perfect consistency. Start your blender on a low speed for about 15 seconds to initially break down the harder ingredients. Gradually increase the speed to high, allowing the blades to thoroughly pulverize everything. If your smoothie seems too thick, add an extra 1/4 cup of liquid. Continue blending for about 1 minute until it is completely smooth. The best part about smoothies is customization. Feel free to experiment with various vegetable and fruit combinations to find your favorites. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding 1 scoop of protein powder or 1 tablespoon of superfood greens. If you prefer it sweeter, a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup works wonders. Enjoy your delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie immediately for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.